Everyone loves new product launches, and so this is an exciting video where I can talk about the Waveform ProLink. That is their latest outdoor. It's both a modem and an antenna all built in together. Now, I've done a lot of videos on their antennas, and these antennas have cables that you go down and screw into your existing gateway, either a third-party gateway, or if you have one from Verizon Home Internet, T-Mobile Home Internet, or AT&T Internet. I had many videos of how do you install those, and there's a lot of great things about these types of antennas. The key thing is that you typically want to get this outside so it can get better signal. The downside of that means that you have to run cabling, typically four cables from where this goes outside to where your gateway is, and this solves that problem. So on this one, by having the modem built into the outdoor unit, everything is self-contained in this one little, triangular prism thing here. And it is the best way to reduce your loss from your antenna to your modem, because every time you run cabling, it does add loss. Now, you can still get a lot of improvement with a antenna and the cabling loss, but this even further helps with that, because now the only cable that comes out of this is actually an Ethernet cable. So Ethernet goes into here. This runs down to a power over Ethernet injector that plugs into a wall there. So this sends the power and the data communication through the Ethernet cable. So they include not only the shorter cable, I think this is like a 3 or 6 foot cable, but then they also have two separate 50-foot cables that come with it. And then additionally, to get it through a window or a door, they include their very unique window entry cable for Ethernet. So this allows this little thin ribbon, if I can put this down for a second here, this little thin ribbon has both an indoor and outdoor section of it. So this would be like the outdoor with a weather tight seal, so you plug your Ethernet into one side, and then whatever entrance you want to get this in, if you want to tuck it in behind siding, tuck it in underneath an eave, you can, this is thin enough typically to go inside of a window. You can close the window down on top of it, and this is a much easier way to route cabling than especially 4 separate antenna cables. So that's probably the biggest advantage that this has, is the ease of ability to install it. And the other thing is you don't have to worry about any kind of order of them. It's just one Ethernet cable. It doesn't matter how you plug them in, other than you got to plug it into the right side of this connector. One side's powered and one side's not powered. All right, so to attach it, this is how it comes already installed with this bracket. The other bracket is free floating, and this one you can either install onto a wall where you can screw it through the 4 corner holes, and then this unit just comes in. You kind of have to line it up at a little bit angle and then tilt it, and then it locks into place there. And then there's 2 set screws, one on each side, which are included, that would secure it. Or if you secure it to a pole, which that's an optional pole mount you can buy from them for, I don't know what it is, 25, 30 bucks extra. You can do that as well. And then this would just use this bracket right here to use a hose clamp to install it. So it's a very easy to install. And then what you do is you have a SIM card down here. It has 2 SIM card ports, and then it has name and password and that kind of stuff. But on this side, it has 2 SIM card slots. It only has 1 modem, so it's only going to use 1 SIM card at a time, but you technically can put 2 different SIM cards in here. And then in the settings, you can tell it to change over from one SIM card to the other SIM card. All right, so let me just go into their website, show you some of these features. They just got launched today here before Thanksgiving in 2025. And what you see here is a sticker that says Waveform, and it says powered by Elsys. And the reason it says powered by Elsys is that this is a Elsys Ultramax unit, but Waveform has done a few things differently with it, and one of them is the packaging of it. The next thing I want to show you here is the support and installation guidance that they provide for. So let me just hop in to the website and show you what it says. All right, so here we are. We're on the Waveform's website. This is their new ProLink page, and you can see that they have a winter sale going on, so this is discounted. Additionally, if you use code NADERTATER, you'll get an extra discount on top of that, as well as actually any other products that Waveform offers as well. But the only option for this one is with a pole mount or without a pole mount. And you can see what it comes included with. We've already showed you that. I guess I can click on this and give you a little bit more there. You can see it all together on one page. All right, and then here's a little bit of a specs on it. You can see that it is a highly directional antenna. It covers all of the typical bands, and it covers AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, and all of their 4 and 5G signals, basically. and it's a 10 dBi gain directly on the unit itself. It uses the X62 modem, which is not the latest and greatest modem. It is the same modem that a lot of like the T-Mobile stock gateways use. I do have some other third-party gateways that have like X75, a greater modem, but I'll talk a little bit later on the speed differences between what I've seen this guy versus the other ones. And then it will work with all of your personal routers, and that's maybe a downside to mention, is that this does not have built-in Wi-Fi for your house. So this is designed to go outside, and then it brings internet into your house, but you need to have a Wi-Fi router to actually distribute that signal to different things. But it does work with pretty much every consumer Wi-Fi router that's out there. So if you get a TP-Link, you get an Arrow, you get an Asus, any of those things will work with this unit. You would just plug in this Ethernet connection from this PoE injector into the WAN port of your home router. And the basic steps of installing is basically insert the SIM card. So you can take the SIM card out of a T-Mobile gateway. I'll talk about that in a little bit, and then put that into here. Full disclosure, that's not sanctioned by Waveform or T-Mobile for that matter, but I will still tell you how that can get done. And then you can run some tests there to make sure you get the strongest signal. This does have a feature that helps you aim the device. It even will beep at you as you're aiming it so you can get the best signal. And then you run your cabling in, mount it in place, and then you are all set. Okay, onto the support of Waveform. What I really like about them is the outstanding support. They do lots of testing. They're very meticulous. They're not going to release a product and back it unless they have full confidence that it's going to work and that they have a kit that's ready to go for you to use. So in here, they do have a video that you can watch to help you get started. I'm not going to go through that, obviously. But then also they do have the specification and guides here that you can look into a little bit more detail. But what I want to show you now is the instruction manual that you get with it. And in fact, even on the box, I think it has a QR code that you can scan. But right here, they have a new website that you can scan this QR code and get to it. And it's going to walk you step by step of how to set up this unit. So if I just go in here and scan this QR code, it's just going to take me as a shortcut to this website, which is a help website for this. It says, okay, thanks for purchasing the ProLink. So right here you can type in your information. I'm going to go ahead and just type in Nader Tater because they maybe will recognize me. Okay, so what this is doing is walking me through here, and it's actually going to give me a site survey. So if I type in my address and everything, it's going to actually help me know where to go and to pick. So this actually is going to walk you through. I have many videos on this because it takes a lot of time and knowledge. Waveform is going to step you through that by scanning this. You type in that information and they're going to help. Hey, you need to point this to the northwest or the southeast, and they will help guide you through that. They also have people on standby to take your call or text and get you help set up. So that is the biggest difference with this versus some other devices that you can go out there and buy, or even the simpler device that you can buy, but it's the type of support that you're going to get. All right, so I typed in my information, my address and everything. I told them which carrier I'm using, T-Mobile, and then they're going to send me a text already. Maybe you already got it. And then they're going to do a site survey. So I think they're actually going to have a human look at my home and actually tell me which way to point it, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. And I don't know if they've rolled this out with other antennas. I mean, this would be great to have for that stuff as well. So now here's the setup video. Here's the manual, which is just a digital copy of this paper one. Okay, so that's really cool that they're going to do that. But I'm going to show you here, inside here, it walks you through basically what you need to do. So if you're tech savvy, you can figure this out. This is a full color. It's giving you all this information about signals and how they work and what you want to do from installation, connecting the devices, what kind of tools you'll need for it. And then it's going to go into a little bit of details about the color of the light, what does it mean, and then it tells you also things like what the different signal metrics for cellular mean, like what is SINR or what's RSRQ, all these different terms that you probably are not familiar with unless you've dealt with this kind of stuff before. And so it's going to help you understand that. If you already know that stuff, you can kind of skip right ahead to more of the setup stuff, where it gives you a little bit of guidance as far as physical obstructions. And what a lot of people have probably seen is that their house can block a lot of signals. So if you're inside your house, even behind a window, they can still block a lot of signal versus outside. That's where getting this or one of their antennas outdoors can be a big help. And then here it just gives you, it's really great information, step by step of how to do everything, including this window entry cable that they have. And then step 8 is where they go through the web interface. So Waveform has worked on this web interface a little bit. It's mostly the same right now. They do have their own interface, or at least icon up there, and then I heard that they're working on maybe adding some more features to that to further help improve. And one really cool feature that this has is called a blind search. So if you don't have a SIM card in it, let's say you haven't even bought a plan yet, or you're not committed, you can buy this unit, put it up, and then you can do a blind search, which means it's just going to look for all of the best signal that it has out there, and it's going to give you a report out of what type of signal it gets the best on. So that's one of my really cool features. It breaks it down to Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Picks them all up and will tell you what band and what signal you get out of it. So that's really cool. The next thing that I would say is of note is the ability to send AT commands. AT commands are like special commands that you can send. So instead of it being a button to click, you send this little code, and it's going to do something with the settings or the features. And they call out here, important note about IMEI modification. IMEI is basically the device ID, thing about like a license plate for a vehicle of this device. T-Mobile's gateways all have an IMEI, and their SIM card is looking for it to be in that IMEI to be on their network. So what you can do is you got to be cognizant of your devices. You can't be copying someone else's IMEI. But if you were to take your gateway from T-Mobile IMEI and put it on this unit, then as far as T-Mobile would know, this unit is the stock gateway, and it would work even with T-Mobile home internet line. So that's the beauty of having a physical SIM card to be able to do that. And what they have here is they have a lot of AT commands. The bottom one, they tell you this is how you change the IMEI. You type in this command, and you change out the quote-unquote IMEI text with your actual, I think it's a 16-digit IMEI number from your gateway, and then that will update it. So that would be how you would get it to work with T-Mobile home internet. If you have T-Mobile business internet, it doesn't matter. You can just slide the card in there, and it doesn't care what the IMEI is. But that's just something to note, and don't tell anyone that I told you that. All right, so I just wanted to make this quick video so that you could see this new product that Waveform released with their kit, as well as their awesome support that they provided. Do put a comment down in the video below. Hit that like button if you like this video, and then stay tuned. Do put a comment if you want a suggestion of what you want me to test on this versus maybe other stuff. I'll see if I can add it to my list. One caveat is that winter is coming, and I don't like climbing up on my roof or my tower when the snow hits. So I might have to be very selective of what I test there. But I will do some more videos. I'll show you the web user interface and that kind of stuff in a later video. So stay tuned and follow this channel. Thanks. All right, that's a wrap, everyone. Head home. Enjoy Thanksgiving.